Alrighty, good morning, good morning. Give everyone a minute or so and then we'll get started. All right, so um, yeah, not a lot going on. As we guys hopefully can clearly see here, we've over the last, I mean, really since we opened up on Sunday night, we've just been in this 30 point little chop fest from 67 to 7,800. We've just kind of been going back and forth. So as you guys can hopefully see, like the range here has been extremely consolidated further as we're kind of just chilling in the upper end of it. And so there isn't a lot going on, frankly, and volatility is close to dead. I think yesterday I saw that the volume was about a little less or the same as a Christmas half day. So just ultimately, there just isn't a ton going on in the markets. This does happen this time of year. I know we've touched on it plenty, but this is now the last couple weeks of August here, probably until Jackson Hole, which will be at the end of August, which will be a little bit of an external catalyst. And then obviously when we get past Labor Day, things will pick up again. But until then, expecting honestly, even daily failed breakdowns might be asking for too much. So, obviously every day we'll plan for them. We'll mark our levels and we'll see if we get them. But, just something to keep in mind. Don't get frustrated if, one or two sessions go by and you haven't put on a trade. It's normal for just the environment we're in. We're trading near all-time highs in peak summer trading, low volume. Like it is what it is. And so rather than be frustrated by it, you just want to kind of acknowledge what's going on and try to play it the best we can. So a couple of options here today, in terms of if we do even get a little bit of a minute sell today. The first one is this 77.65 failed breakdown right here. This is at this point now a two-touch shelf, one from 12:30 yesterday, as well as a bounce at 7:30 yesterday. So that is one spot you can watch out for. If we get below there, 77.56 is another failed breakdown to watch out for. That's another low we have from Friday at 2:30 p.m. Below there, we have 77.44. Bonus if we're able to, tag the bottom end of the range first, or at least close to it, and then put in the failed breakdown. And then below here, we have the 77.24 failed breakdown, which would be, the best failed breakdown out of all of them, obviously, because it is a bottom of the consolidation range failed breakdown at this point. So those are the options. If we get even a little bit of a minute sell today, those are some things to watch out for. And if we don't get them, then it'll probably just keep on sideways chopping, grinding higher, and at that point there isn't going to be a ton to do. So that is what's on the agenda today. What's on the docket? Not like I said, not a crazy ton. If we do end up getting a larger sell at some point, below this consolidation range, like I mentioned, there is a lot of white space here just because of the structure we got when rallying up. So if we do sell at any point under 77.24 this week, you probably want to be hands off on the long side for quite some bit, really until we're at 76.32. That's really the best failed breakdown headed down. So Yeah, that is all. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If not, we will catch everyone in the Discord.